Thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. However, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we will be replacing a set of front complete strut assemblies on a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive. This set also fits the 14 to 18 Chevy Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive, the 14 to 17 GMC Sierra 1500 four-wheel drive, the 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 LD four-wheel drive, and the 19 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited four-wheel drive. These complete strut assemblies by SENSEN come with a limited lifetime warranty. SENSEN uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in a high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality. Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 10, 15, 18, 21, 22, and 36 mm sockets. It also includes an 18 mm wrench, screwdriver, and a hammer. This concludes our front complete strut assemblies installation of a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive.